The Samsung Galaxy S8 Active is a rugged version of the flagship Galaxy S8 designed for durability and an active lifestyle. It was officially announced on August 8, 2017 with pre-order starting the same day and in-store availability from August 11, 2017 initially as an ATT exclusive in the US. Later it also became available on T-Mobile and Sprint. Here is a summary of its key features and specifications. Key features: rugged design. The most prominent feature is its robust build certified with MIL STD 810G for protection against drops, shocks, vibrations, extreme temperatures, dust and water. It also boasts an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, meaning it can withstand immersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. Shatter resistance display. While the standard S8 has a curved infinity display, the S8 Active features a flat 5.8-inch Super AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and an additional shatter resistance layer. Enhanced battery life. It comes with a large 4000 MHz battery compared to the standard S8's 3000 MHz, offering significant improved endurance. It also supports fast charging and wireless charging. Premium internal specs. Despite its rugged exterior, it retains the high-end internal components of the Galaxy S8, including processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 for US models, RAM 4GB, storage 64GB internal, expandable up to 256GB via micro SDXC. Camera. Rear camera 12 megapixel dual pixel with f/1.7 aperture, optical image stabilization OIS and dual pixel PDAF. Front camera 8 megapixel with autofocus and f/1.7 aperture. Biometrics includes an iris scanner and a rear mounted fingerprint scanner. Bixby features a dedicated Bixby button and integrates Samsung's intelligent personal assistant. It also includes an active zone with quick access to features like a stopwatch, barometer, compass and flashlight. Other features: 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port, NFC and Samsung Pay. Design and durability. The S8 Active ditches the sleek curved design of the regular S8 for a more utilitarian and protective build. It features a hardened polycarbonate back, metal sides and reinforced rubber ridges on the corners to absorb impact. While these make it bulkier and heavier than the standard S8, it provides peace of mind for users in demanding environments. Reviews generally praise the S8 Active for combining the top-tier performance and camera of the Galaxy S8 with exceptional durability and a much improved battery life. The shatter-resistant screen was a significant selling point for those prone to drops. However, some reviewers noted its increased size and weight, the loss of the standard S8's icon curved display and the initial ATT exclusivity as minor drawbacks. The relocation of the fingerprint sensor to the side of the camera module also received some criticism for its awkward placement. In essence, the Galaxy S8 Active was positioned as the ideal smartphone for users who needed a device that could withstand rigorous use without compromising on flagship features and performance.